Hey creators, welcome to Pixinshop channel. Today we are diving into Adobe After Effects for a quick tip on creating that text behind object. Stick around for some pro tip and let's get started. So we are back in the interface of Adobe After Effects and today we'll create that text behind object in After Effects. So for that just select the text tool and type the text. Now select the move tool and place the text where you want. Now select the main video layer and press Ctrl plus D to make a duplicate of it. Just press Ctrl plus D and place that duplicate layer above all the layers. Just drag and bring it above. Now double click on that layer. Now select the rotor brush tool, click on this. Now zoom in the video a little bit. For zooming in, just use your scroll wheel, or you can also zoom in from here. 100%, you can also zoom in from here. And now just paint on the object like this. You might see an error on your video, like I'll show you. You change from 30 and hit enter like this. You might see the frame rate mismatch error like this, and you just need to change the composition to 24 frames or any frame that your After Effects tells you. So for that, go to composition, new composition setting, and change the frame rate to 24. Here the 24 is returned, so we'll type 24 and hit enter. So like this, the composition error will not get showed. So like this, you can remove that error. You just paint on the object. And by mistake, if you click on the outside area like this, so for that, just alt click and drag or remove that area like this. So it's done. Our object has been selected, and the next step is refining the edges. And if you zoom in, you can see the hair is not properly selected. For that, just hover over it or just hold for a second, and you can see refine edges tool is there. If you use Photoshop, you might know what this tool does. So select this and refine the hair. Just paint on the hairs. It might take a few seconds, and then your hairs have been selected. And bring your time marker a few frames ahead and adjust the lines or edges. It might take few minutes, depends on your PC processor. So after adjusting all the frames, just go to composition like this. You can see our object is in place above. We'll zoom in a little bit, and we just need to refine some edges. Okay, so just increase the feather to around 20% and shift edges to -10, and just check the use motion blur option, and we are good to go. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more amazing tips. And if you want to learn text animation and motion graphics, the link is here, you can check it out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep creating and make your amazing effects.